we're going to try this again. We had a failure yesterday. This screw hole right here, there's another plate that goes over the top normally. So I took it off, and then I put the screw back in there, and this screw went all the way through the plastic and ground down my pinion. That's where I killed my gear yesterday, so I'm hoping there's enough tooth left on it. She's rolling real good now, so I'm hoping there's enough tooth left on it to get a speed run in. We'll get set up. I think Lauren's going to do the camera. Let's see what we got going on here today. There's GPS out. Turn it on. Hopefully I didn't leave it on and kill the battery. There it goes. Whew. Got something? Looking for a signal. Let me get my camera on while we're waiting. Alright. Get this. So see how that servo moves? That's, I think, a next upgrade is I'm going to get one of them over the top servo mounts, because this, I don't like that. Alright, looks like it's going to run good today. We just need to get a GPS signal.
I was standing out from under the car last time. I think you moved away.
Yeah, you might be right. Come on. Clear sky today. There's no reason not to. There we go. We got signal. Okay. Now this battery ain't fresh, so I do have a fresh one on me that was charged yesterday, but this one is the one we used yesterday. So cross your fingers, guys. Coming to get you, Mike. 40, what do you got, 45, bud? 47, I think 47 or 48 actually is the last I remember. Alright, I just need any kind of clip will do, just to make sure we don't lose the body like last time at Kodak. We don't got a huge run space, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. Got to get something in for the run. Ha! I don't like that grinding sound, but fixing the trim. Quarter throttle. Whoa! Ha! No, not with the gears the way they are. So I got new pinions, our new spur gears coming. This one's chewed up. When I do a recap, I'll show you what I did yesterday, and a little, not real happy about it. And I thought it was because I had the 48P. Yeah, the pinion shot. So, hopefully we get a little something out of it. Let's see what we got, Lauren. It's going to be a quick one either way. Yeah, it's respectable. 43.4. Now, that pinion is totally eaten. It's gone. But we got new ones coming. We actually got to put one on order. Should have it tomorrow. These are, and that's 63 and 36.
So we can get 43 with a bad pinion.
Yeah, I didn't even get half throttle. I didn't even get half throttle, guys. But we'll take that for today. Put us on the board a little bit. 43.4. Alright. Better luck next week. We'll get her to 60 and maybe 70. Like and subscribe. So this is just a little recap after the run. Kind of talk about what I was mentioning in the speed run itself. So after I get done talking, you'll see my yesterday's run. 31 miles an hour or something ridiculous. That's where I noticed my gears were shot. So this here, I mentioned it in the other video. I'm going to take this off real quick and show you what happened. I'm not using that piece at all anymore. Honestly, I want to find a replacement for this because I want to be able to adjust my pinions without having to take the damn thing apart every time, because that is structural. So when you put it back on, it does change the pinion a bit, you know, not a lot. Shouldn't be having the problems I'm having, but when you see what I did, man, it's rather irritating. But whatever, it's my fault. I should have just left the damn screw out, called it a day. But it's my habit. I try to put screws back where they are if there's a bunch of different ones. And I did have to go with a bigger one on this spot just because it wasn't biting at all. First I went with a Madcap one because they're a little bit bigger, just a hair bit. But in the end, it's my inexperience more than anything else, you know. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, so I'm not sure you'll pick it up good here, but let me try and get the light turned this way. So right in here, see that hole? Well, the screw had been going down and actually rubbing against my spur gear. See that clear spot there? I'm not sure I held it in a good spot, but the screw went down from this hole all the way through the plastic. I didn't even notice it, but it was holding my gear up, and you see that's gone. So I was able to get a quick run on it because the edge teeth right here were still alive. I wasn't pushing it. I got about half throttle. That's at 43 miles an hour, so there's a lot more left in her. I just got a mail call in, so I'll be doing a mail call after this video, and I think it's my pinion. So I have a Traxxas pinion coming, regular 48P. I think it's 48P. I'll have to double check. And then I have 3 more of these coming, just so I can break them, because I'm good at breaking stuff. So I didn't want to take a chance of getting like next week and then I gotta wait 2 weeks for parts. So I bought a couple extras. They were $2 or $3 a piece. If you look, you find them real cheap. The first one I bought was like $12, $15, something like that. I bought it right from TAMIYA, and then I found one online. And as I kept searching, people's descriptions aren't very good, and there's some old ones that are $2 and $3 with $4 shipping, which is fine. You know, that's honest. I'd rather know my real fees. But yeah, we ran today on our URGENEX battery one, same one. It wasn't even a fresh battery. It was the same one we did on the clip. You'll see. So we'll get her right, man. We'll get her right. You see, I got a mess over here. That's a project I'm working on now. So you'll see that in the next couple of days. C24. So what I want to do, get the pinion right. This thing will go 60 easy. I know it will. There's no doubt in my mind. I wasn't even getting half to get 40. But I want to replace something else I want to order. Let me turn it on and show you. It really bothers me, especially with how squirrely this steering is anyways. I don't know, this whole steering mechanism, it's a little floppy, just a little bit. There's a lot of play in this stuff, so it's handling great at this point. But there are times, I'm sure you see, a lot of the other guys have probably seen it too, where high speed you try and turn and it just barrel rolls, or you know, or out of nowhere you'll get a, you know, it's like almost like the diff locks up. So but if you look real close, you'll see the whole servo shimmies side to side. See that? the whole chassis moves. That's not good, man. So I'm gonna get that brace because at the very least it's a solid piece, and I'll go over the top. Because we start going faster, man. Those little wiggles will matter, especially if we really do reach those. You know, anything over 70 is going to be insane, especially with this wheelbase. Anyways, that and we got probably going to end up ordering a speed run body for this. Who got one? I think Jack will Trade got one, and it's funny. I think Brent over at Adventure Time said he was ordering one, and I gotta wait a little bit, but budgets are budgets, so I'll probably order in a week or so. But I think it's a smart thing to do. This body's gonna get hammered anyways, so it's already getting pretty whooped every time I get a roll. So it's only a matter of time before that's beat. So we get near the end, we're gonna want something more stable. Anyways, that's all I got right now. You'll see after this, just a quick, you can hear the grinding and you hear what that was doing. Again, I thought it was just, I've seen guys use the other pinions and they kind of make a little noise, but I didn't think it was doing that much damage. It wasn't until you hear it in power band. That power band kicks in and it just stripped them immediately. So live and learn. This is the whole learn process for me. I'm new to TAMIYAs. I'm definitely new to TT02. So this is all part of the learning process. Not a big deal. We got a lot of time left, and we're on the right path for sure. Once I get these pinions set, I'm expecting 60s out of this, just with the pinions. And then, like I said before, X Team is sending us one of their 3650s so we can bump up this 28 series to a 36 series and see what it really has. With the power plant we got, it should be a good solid system. So there'll be good bump ups. Phase 2 begins. Let's get it rolling. I'll see you when I see it, and hopefully I'll get another run out this weekend. If not, whatever. It is what it is. Next week we'll get a really good run. I'm going to make some time for it. Get it right. Anyways, see you when I see you. Like and subscribe. Peace.
It sounds real.
Sounds awesome.
Yeah.
We're going to do one quick
It doesn't sound bad now. To get past a certain speed.
About half per hour right now. It's definitely not 40. That's average. 31.
Okay, half throttle was 31, but
Not
theoretically...
It should be quite a bit faster.
Yeah.
So we'll turn this off for a minute. I'll fix my gearing and we'll get it right.
Okay.
And we'll do another pass.
Stop the video.
Yeah, stop.